Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up TikTok Shop Seller Center verification on mobile. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your mobile device and launch the TikTok app. Log into your TikTok account if you haven't already. Navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Look for the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu, in the top right corner of your profile. Tap on the hamburger menu to open the Settings and Options menu. Scroll down and select Creator Tools. In the Creator Tools section, find and tap on TikTok Shop. You may see the option to sign up for the TikTok Shop. Tap on Sign Up to begin the Seller Center registration process. Follow the prompts to enter your business information, including name and contact details. Next, you will need to provide verification documents. Select the type of verification document you will submit. Common documents include a business license, tax identification number, or personal identification. Ensure your documents are clear and legible before uploading. Tap on the Upload section to select your verification documents from your device. Once uploaded, review the information you provided to ensure accuracy. After verifying everything, tap on Submit to complete the registration. You will receive a confirmation notification once your application is under review. Keep an eye on your notifications for updates on your application status. Once approved, you will gain access to the TikTok Shop Seller Center. From there, you can start setting up your products and managing your shop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.